Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new here, I do travel vlogs as well as tutorial video just like this one. So even if you are not in this, just consider subscribing. Anyway, it's free. If you are a student or a person who likes to take notes on daily basis, so this video is for you. Just make sure you watch this video till the end. Today I'll show you how you can improve your productivity in just including this one application in your daily note-taking life. It's been 2 years now I'm using this application and I'm so glad that I use this application, and this helped me a lot in my whole university career. So moving on to app. Unfortunately, a Notability application is not available on Android tablet, but they can use Microsoft application, OneNote app. So it's really versatile app, they can use it. So and it's free too. Notability application costs around $10. Now go to Notability. One of the nicest thing about Notability application is on your left side you have all your subjects and dividers, and your right side you have your topics you have written, like for notes for example, and you can color code them in whichever manner you want. It's really nice for visuals also. So for example, you can, here this small plus, you just go add a subject. Now this subject is test for YouTube only. Now for example, you created one subject but you want this subject under another divider. So for you just hold that subject for one second and you can drag it in any other divider. So now you can see here the test subject is under semester 3 divider. Same way you can color code that subject so that you can understand where is it exactly. So just you have to go to edit, then here it's a small gear, then here you can change your name also, otherwise you can change color also. Now say done. You can add n numbers of subjects and dividers in here. Do not need to worry about your space, because if you go to the small setting bar, you can see here you can make auto backup of your all the data, whichever your preferences is, or if you have iCloud storage, all the notes of yours you can auto sync to iCloud, so you won't lose it anymore. Now we'll go to the note taking. Go to three dots. Here you can select all paper, different colors of paper, and then if you want some regular lines, some check boxes, or some dots only. Then we have number of pen options over here. If you go to pen option, you have like multiple sizes available and all sort of color palette. So you can choose between your color pen and your sizes with it. If you have favorite choices of colors, like for example for me, I use black color, red color and yellow color very frequently, so I kept them as a favorite color, and you can it comes very handy while ongoing lectures and conference to take notes. So you don't need to worry about any other things, just go select your pen and start writing about it. Then we have option for highlighter. Same options you have number of sizes and different colors to choose between of your highlighter color. Again you can select highlighter as your favorite. There is eraser also. So yeah, there are two types of eraser, one which will remove whole and one which is partial. This cut tool is very versatile. You can select the text you want to work and you just select it and you can move it around the page where you want to keep it. Then you can make a duplicate of it, simple for multiple operations. You can delete it. One of the coolest feature of the Notability is it can convert your handwriting into the text form. So you just have to select what word you want to convert, say convert to text, and it will read your handwriting as accurately it's given. So just click and convert all the handwritten notes into the text form. And the best feature of Notability, which Notability stands for, you can record whole lecture, whole conference while writing your notes. So you just have to press the record button over here and start taking the notes. So for example, if you scribbled something in the page and you don't have to worry about what you have scribbled, you just play back the recording and you will get to know. For example, so as you've seen, You don't have to worry about why you took that note or why you wrote that word, for example. You just have to play back the recordings and you can see at what point you wrote that word. So I found this feature is very helpful while taking the notes on the go. While taking notes, if you want to draw some shapes, but you can draw it over here, but as you see, these are not straight. But if you want a straight shape, what you have to do is you have to draw a shape properly and hold it 2 seconds, and you have a straight geometrical shapes inside same, and you can resize them with these small boxes. Same with all the figures, the circle, square and rectangle, triangle. If you want to change the color of any handwritten note or any highlighter, it's very simple. You just have to select the cut tool, select any handwritten note, select it and change the style. So you can change it in any color. Even if it is in another color, you can change the color of that highlighted part. Same with this text, you can change the style, you can make it bolder, you can make it smaller, you can change the color and everything. In this application we can add number of photos, stickers, gif and web clips right from the web, and some sticky notes also. So here they have some stickers provided, so you just have to click those stickers, add it, and you have it there. So you can simply anywhere you can drag it, you can change their sizes and keep it there to have a proper understanding of your note. Then you can scan the document right from your iPad and you can work on that document. You can scan documents, you can add some gifs also here. For example, just go to the plus icon, go to the gifs, write what you want to find and just select, and here you go. So guys, if you are liking this video so far, do subscribe this channel, and we move towards the how to add documents in this. So to add the documents or any photo, you just have to open your photo app in the minimize version, and you can just drag, for example, you just drag this photo in the note app, and there you go, you have your documents or page you want to work. This is how I don't use pages at all. Whatever document, whatever homework you have, you can write it on just over here only. So this is a really cool way of having your iPad and Notability app with you. Okay, this app is a note taking app, and you have all creative ideas and you are jotted down in the app, but you don't want to worry about to share with those. So you can anytime you can make this whole app as a password protected. So here in the settings you have a password, you can set your password with it, and other than you, no one can open this particular note or app. Hey guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe this channel, and we'll see you in the next one.